Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to set up your Notion account. So let's get started. Notion is a powerful organizational tool used for managing work, projects, hobbies, and tasks. Getting set up. Visit notion.so. Sign up using either a global login or set up an account using your email. Enter your email and receive a magic link. Input the magic link and set up your account details. Choose between Personal, Personal Pro, Team, or Enterprise levels. For beginners, the Personal level is recommended as it's free with unlimited data. There are 4 Notion levels. Personal level, which is free with unlimited data. Personal Pro level, which is ideal for larger files and maintaining version history. It costs $48 per year. Team level, which is ideal for collaborative work. Enterprise level, which is tailored for large organizations. Notion interface. Upon setting up, you'll see a blank slate. Notion has 3 main levels, and you can choose the one that suits your needs. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.